sa mean niya, Doc. At pag-click na ko sa alpha, wala man siya katong mean jud gani nila.
Oh, analyze, yes, ma'am. Analyze po ang mean, ma'am. Just like what I have presented earlier.
Okay po.
I-analyze po ang mean. Okay, kinsa man? Wala. Wala good as in.
So, mental ability lang, Doc.
Sige, mental ability, Ma'am Daisy. Take it away.
Okay, try lang ako, Doc, ha? Dali-dali na po ko, Doc. Hindi ko sure. Okay, so in mental ability, the table shows the test of analysis of variance.
Please present your presentation. Hindi na ako makita.
Screen, okay. So, ang pag-present din. Wait lang. So, pag-present. Ay, wait lang daw ka. Present now. Your enter screen. Wait lang daw. Kana o kana. Okay, gidritso na nako, Doc, diri sa ANOVA, giuna sa nakukuha ang mental ability sa katong low.
Hey, ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes po.
Please, present, please, ma'am. Dira makita na, ma'am. Hindi mo makita yung presentation.
Dili pa makita ang screen, Doc? Dito ba?
Wala pa.
Dili. I share. Lagi. Di lagi makashare ng screen. Wait lang, Doc, ha? Di ko kabalo. Your enter screen. Dili siya. Di ko ka-share. Window na lang.
Masani.
Kani. Wait lang. Napa ko i-share.
Hindi, wala tatay.
Okay. Nakita na, Doc?
Kita na.
Okay. Based on the in the NMAT performance of the BS biology students according to their mental abilities, which are low, average, and high, I get first the ANOVA. So mauni siya ang result kaning sa SPSS. NMAT performance, as you can see, the between groups, within groups, ang total. So para makuha na to ang mean, syempre dapat naman siya mean. Kung po na to ang mean, pinaagi sa analyze, there is analyze, then compare means, then means. So i-click na nimo, mugawas na ni ang sa kani, mugawas na ni siya ang inani siya case processing summary, din nasa ubos ang report. Mauni ang kuhaan nimo sa mean. So gipag-interpret nako, baligidritso nako, the table shows the test of analysis of variance on the significant difference of NMAT performance according on the mental abilities of BS biology students. It displays the means number of low, average, and high mental abilities. Ay, wait lang. Ding, tabangin ko, ipakita po na akong Microsoft Word. Ipakita po na ako akong interpretation ba. Wait lang, Jude. Ay, mag-one at a time akong sharing. Dili pwede, dagan.
Mag-entire point ka.
Sige daw,
Entire screen ka, ma'am. Entire screen.
enter screen. Okay. Wait lang. Okay, nakita na, Doc.
I-present sa
Kani
word.
o kani.
Itaas. Pwede na maklaro nila.
Okay, nakita na, Doc.
Please.
Sige, sorry. Wait lang, Jude. Nagpaningot na noon ko. Okay, so it displays that the means number of low, average, and high are 62.25, 79.25, and 92, with standard deviations of 22.90, 10.58, and 7.71 respectively. So, pasunod. The F value, balik ta sa F value sa taas, is, ang F value niya is, 11.528. So, according kay Doc, 3 decimals yun na siya kapihong tanan. Obtain a p-value of 0.00, so which is less than 0.05 level of significance. Thus, there is enough evidence to reject the null hypothesis. And it is also concluded that there is a significant difference on the means number according or based on the low average and high mental abilities of BS biology students. I don't know, Doc, kung tama ba. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Congratulations, Ma'am Daisy. Can we give a virtual clap to her? Virtual clap na kumakita dali asa nagbitang virtual. Congratulations, Ma'am Daisy, for an accurate presentation of the analysis of variance. Let's proceed to the second one. Can we have from the male teachers? Wala. Sir Ruchi.
Dok, kung ka-follow, Dok, na nawala mong internet, Dok.
Nagilain din ha. Sir Jed. Ma'am Jed Nasunin.
Dok, pwede mangutana, katunang
Ah.
ang data na Dok, katunang last time nga katong BS biology
Yes,
Dok.
yes.
Wala na mo mong net Dok. Okay, kasubay. Okay, Dok.
Wala yun from the boys? Any volunteer from the girls na lang? Si Ma'am Rochelle Espina. Ray Christine Caminero. Wala, Jude. Sa magulong putahan eh. Boys and girls. Male, female. Wala. Si Ma'am Jocelyn Benito. What about Jethrine? I-type na palihog. Di ka madunggan. Please type. Di ka madunggan. Sir Kapoy.
Excuse me, Doc.
Sige.
Gid sabay magud mo ko og analyze Doc ba mo tong tingala ko nalahi og kuan. Isabay na ko ang mental ability og pero lahi man
Yes,
ko lahi man siya og result.
Sige. Yes. Can you present now? Show us and give us your interpretation. Go ahead.
Ano na ko Doc ha? Ang ano pa ni siya Doc? Ang the process Doc. Makita kong screen?
Naka-black lang, ma'am.
Kanina akong gusto i-share. Para lang sa katong mga wala naka-abot, dili yun siya ma-share. Ito pa-share. Share. Hindi din siya ma-share.
Mineses, can you share your screen now? Nakita ko na kayong reaction.
Dok, kanang lahi nga PC ang akong gamit for SPSS. Hindi ko makashare
Okay.
sa cellphone lang ko, Dok. Para ma-share ang mga hindi ko maklaro ba. So,
Okay,
ako
okay.
na ang results. Hindi ko question, Dok. Ang means ba, Dok? Ang ano ba?
Abo.
Okay, sa kung mean, Dok, social economic status, ang low social economic status has 74.67. Cellphone lang ako, Dok. Ang average ay ang low kaya ay standard deviation ng 14.29. Tapos average ay 73.08 ang mean. Kaya ay deviation ng 20.71. High nga status, high social economic status ay 85.75. Tapos deviation is 21.09. So, Dok?
Mana ka, ma'am?
Yes, Doc.
Sige lang. Any who would like to share, di ko makita. Ngit kayo. Yung mga presentation.
Sorry, Doc.
Kaya lang kanang klaro gamay para ating ma-validate na kung pag nasabtan ba wala. Ang John Luna.
Wala ko, Dok. Nag-uol po ko, Dok. Kaya wala po jud ko.
Who else? Sa pamandiha. Anong wala man, Ma'am John Luna?
Wala ko ikatong ako ang NMAT performance good, Dok, sa BS Biology. Kaya di ko kabalo mag-save.
Anong dili man?
Doc, nakamute ka, Doc.
We will not proceed to the next topic unless clear ni sa kuang nakasabot mo. Ma'am Alib, please proceed. Please present.
Dok, wala ko kakuan unsaon pag nawala ang net mong good ganiya, Dok.
Okay, kisa nga pwede mag-volunteer din ha, babe. At least man lang makita sa classmate ba si proseso, yun sa pagbuha, no? Okay. Especially nga nangawala ng permit nila.
Kana ko, Dok, kanang katugid sa NMAT, Dok, no? Ang kuhaon is
Kisa mo na NMAT data diyan na, be. Sige na, be. Kita po dani ako lang may nag-perform mo.
Ako dok na pre NMAT dok.
Ako to ang hungit di na mao. Una actually ang purpose ng SPS tang na may SPS din na para makahatag po mo sa feedback o input. Dili kay ako lang tanan. Sige daw. Volunteer. Sige daw, may I request you to open your camera. Sige daw. At naon daw na ako inyong mga trabaho din ha. Basig natulog mo din ha. Nag-classic ko. Ito sayang sa kong panahon. Sige daw, may I see daw your faces. Para sure lang na ako. Ma'am Grace, sige daw. Will you please present your output? Sige daw, be. Yes, ma'am. Medyo hinay ang internet connection siguro din sa inyo. Madungog pa ko?
Madunggan daw ko sa wala gid na connection.
Nawala man gud ganiha dok, mula mi ka.
Yes, Doc. Madungog, Doc. Loud and clear.
Pre NMAT dok pero
Ito hinay ang signal ako o inyo ha?
amo dok.
Okay. Sige ka na. So, mabalikon ako ang kuan. Ang analysis of variance. Kung balikon kadali ha. Sige na naman yung data no.
Yes dok, ana dok.
I will present again the data. Okay, mamanin no ang katong data atong miagi because remember we have this one. No?
Yes dok.
We have gender, SES, type of school, graduated, mental ability, academic performance, mathematics performance, and math performance. And among this among this categorical data kani upat kabok dinhi naiduha dinhi nga na more than 2 no? Because analysis of variance can only be applicable for 3 categories or more. So since the SES and mental ability are being categorized into low, average, and high, analysis of variance can be most applicable. Dili pwede sa t-test din t-test will only work for 2. See? Excuse me, keep quiet. So to analyze whether NMAT performance is mental ability. Balik ko na kung mental ability ha. We will just simply click analyze. Okay, then compare means and we will use ANOVA. Kaya man naman sa mental ability presented a while ago, no? So thank you for that, ma'am. Isa ganito nag-present, I forgot. We will just click mental ability, okay, in the factor because we would like to investigate whether mental ability is a factor, no? Is a factor of NMAT performance. Sinabing is a factor of NMAT performance. The mental ability, as mental ability varies, the NMAT performance of BS biology students also varies. Ano ginamin nga factor. So, you will just place NMAT performance in the dependent list and factor in the mental ability. And you will just simply click OK. Ano lang siya. Eventually, it yields result. SPSS output. And this is not the output. Pero, sa ANOVA manggo, dili niya ihatag diretso ang mean. So, we really have to solve for the means gap. Analyze for the mean. So, compare means, then means. Then we will click this one, kay NMAT performance mo kung interested. Okay. We will have, isa lang man po akong interested rin, no? Mental ability lang sa for the meantime. Okay, we will just click OK. Okay, this is it. So, mo to si Ma'am ganina, presenting that the low mental ability has a mean of 62.25 with a standard deviation of this, average 79.25, high 92, and then it was just observed that F value of 11.528 has a P value of 0.000, which is less than 0.05. Therefore, there is a significant difference. In fact, since this one is less than 0.05, we say that there is a significant difference between on the NMAT performance among low, average, and high mental abilities or high level mental ability. So, pero kung tanawon nato gyud diri ma'am o sir, clear kay siya nga high 92, average 79, low 62. Ibig sabihin nagi difference, no? Nagi significant difference ang NMAT performance when categorized by mental ability. Klaro magkaayo, no? Kay 92 to 62 definitely have significant difference. Okay? So what about socioeconomic status? Is there a significant difference when it comes to NMAT performance when categorized by socioeconomic status? I would like to try.
There is no.
Sige daw. Isa ito nag-answer gani. Try down, please. I'll give you time. Siguro mga 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, can we now proceed to the presentation?
Yes po.
Okay, who would like to volunteer? Wala mag-volunteer. Ay, sige daw. Wala, yun. Sigurado mo. Sayang points.
Pwede balik,
po.
Doc?
Balik na. Ibalik na po. Sige. Matagal ito. Ano nga data, mamanino. Analyze. Ang atong interest is
I mean,
SEF. Hello, please turn off your microphone. Ibalik pa na ako. Hindi na siguro, uy. Isa yung mana din ha. Sige na, be. Raise your hand. Sige, Ma'am Daisy. Okay, present now.
Wait lang.
Okay.
Pwede na mo balik og present, Doc? Mana mo ko ganina. Okay ra? Hello, makita akong screen?
Sige, ma'am. Ikaw na lang, ma'am. Sige. Mag-yes, ma'am. Makita, ma'am. Wala.
Sige. Akong gikan. Sige, sa ikaduha nga atong kwaon is ang socio-economic status among the NMAT performance among the low, average, and high socio-economic status of BS Biology students. So, ang una natong kwaon is katong ANOVA, katong giingon ni Sir nga diri sa analyze, then sa compare means, then one way ANOVA. Pislito na siya. So, naay mo gawas o kani siya. Mao ni akong dependent NMAT performance and the factor is socio-economic status. Gi-click na nakog okay. So, mao ning nigawas ang ANOVA lang sa, kanilang sa ang nigawas. Pag ikaduha, kay dili man siya mohatag og mean, gi-click na po na akong analyze, compare means, then kanilang means. So, same lang gyapon, NMAT performance and socio-economic status, then pag gi-okay na, mao na ni ang mugawas. Case processing summary, then the report. So, same lang gyapon atong una na ang interpretation is wala lang ko nagbutag table kay murag dali ra man siya ikuan no, mas bali mauna lang ni siya pilit. So, the interpretation, the table shows the test of analysis of variance on the significant difference of NMAT performance among the low, average, and high socioeconomic status of BS biology students. It displays the means number of low, average, and high socio-economic status are 74.67, 73.08, and 85.75 with standard deviations of 14.29, 20.71, and 21.09 respectively. The F value, ato ta sa ANOVA, diri sa taas, the F value of 1.591 obtained a P value of 0.219, which is greater. So, nilabaw na siya, greater than 0.05 level of significance. Thus, there is no enough evidence to reject the null hypothesis. Tama ba? And it is concluded that there is no significant difference in the NMAT performance among the low, average, and high socioeconomic status of BS biology students. Ambot lang sir kung tama ba. Thank you.
That's correct. Very good. Very good. That's correct. So can we give a virtual clap for Ma'am Daisy? Okay, congratulations, Ma'am Daisy, for a comprehensive, always ready to Ma'am Daisy. Congratulations, Ma'am. I am impressed with your presentation. Okay, so far, do you have any question? Clear na ba to siya? Atong analysis of variance. So, we will
Yes,
proceed
po.
to next. At least, nakita na ninyo ang importance on the use of t-tests and analysis of variance. I repeat, t-tests can be used to compare two means. And it and he would like to investigate whether one is significantly higher than the other, or telling us that there is a significant difference between the two. Second, analysis of variance is an analysis which compares 3 or more categories. So in here, analysis of variance allows researcher to compare the means of 3 to 4 with 3 to 4 categories, because t-test will only be limited to 2, but analysis of variance can have 4 or 3 or even 4 or even 5 and many more. Kung daghan kay data niya, gusto mo i-compare isa-isa, i-compare nimo kung nabay significant difference, then go for it, no niya. The post-hoc analysis, ito na lang yan nakuha sa PhD ninyo pohon, so that you will be more adept again with the SPSS later. But for now, we will have our chi-square analysis. So chi-square analysis, unsa una? Okay. So chi-square analysis is also a test of significant difference. So kung napansin niyo di ba, kung please allow me to share, no? Kung napansin niyo si t-test o si ANOVA will compare 2 or more categories whose data are ganing sa tawagan nga data, kanang mga scale nga data, no, like NMAT performance is scale, pero ang iyang groups is categorical, no. So may it be nominal or ordinal. Pero sa chi-square, no, categorical ang data nga atong i-analyze in all data. Let's say, for example, is there a significant difference in the mental ability of students? Mental ability, di ba? Kung nakinamdam mo, excuse me. Kung nakinamdam mo sa mental ability, di ba? Ito amang share kong screen, ha? Di ba? Ganina, in NMAT, di ba? NMAT performance scale, no? Yellow ang color. And you are trying to test kung nabay significant difference among the SES levels and mental ability levels, no? Nakita nato nga it's only the mental ability levels ang naging factors and NMAT, no? Kay na may difference between high, average, and low. Pero sa SES, no matter what level you are, ma-low man ka, ma-high, ma-average pa nimong socioeconomic status, same ragyod ang inyong NMAT performance. Mo ito message dito. Did you get me? And karon, sa chi-square naman, chi-square by the way is pronounced, ang atong chi-square is ito pala no ang ating slides. Chi-square is actually the, kung ako na mali, it's one of the Greek letters. Di lang po sure kung third letter ba siya, equivalent to, it's not actually third because chi is being demonstrated with letter X man go, so most likely nasa later part na sa the Greek alphabet. But chi is a Greek letter, no? Which is somewhat dancing X. So, kita na mag-dancing X. Dara. Ito, this is actually the chi. Ito yon. Okay, chi, no? And chi squared meaning it is the square of chi. So, kaning dancing X din he is not actually X, but rather chi, you know, in the Greek alphabet. And the square of chi is called chi square. So, ito, chi square test, no? And the characteristic of the chi-square distribution is that the computed chi-square is always positive, and the shape of the chi-square distribution does not depend on the size of the sample. And there is a family of chi-square distributions, and it's always positively skewed. Positively skewed, yan na yung graph. Nakita ba niyo kung time pa murag nag-off ko sa ako ang camera. Okay. Pag positively skewed, ibig sabihin ang iyang graph, iyang graph o chi-square. Nga na, positively skewed, no? And chi-square can be applied in, mo ni ang pinakanindot na characteristics sa chi-square. It can be applied in nominal and ordinal level of data. Sa t-test and analysis of variance, it only it requires kanang scale data or either interval or ratio levels. But by chi-square, it can analyze nominal and ordinal data. No? So meaning, chi-square is somehow powerful in the sense that even in the lowest level of data, kaya niya i-analyze. No? Anyway, di ba kung napansin ninyo, ang kaning higher level of data, pwede na ito pamuan. Kasi for example, mo ni i-categorize nimo siya. It's like what you usually do in scaling. From interval to ratio, nahimo na siyang nominal, ordinal, because we categorize it with 1, 2, or 3, low, average, and high. So chi-square, even if it's in the nominal and ordinal level, chi-square can analyze it. I have to share, this is actually the formula, medyo complicated ang formula. Chi-square is just the summation of the square of the observed minus the expected divided by the expected. Yan, man ako sample during a data. No? Actually, I got this data from my thesis, no, and my academic achievement, no, which was measured using the National Achievement Test results. That time, junior high school, considering 341 junior students, I was confident before Manggod that the National Achievement Test was ganing, especially at big schools. Walay cheating gid na nahitabo, and I really consider not results, particularly in Digo City, a ganing reliable result. So I am interested as to how these two variables and the rest of the variables actually is not only limited to this. To check whether family size affects academic achievement. To check family size affects academic achievement. Meaning, I'd like to check whether katong nasa small, medium, large family sizes may have significant difference between academic achievement, because if we are able to tell that there is a significant difference between or among small, medium, and large family sizes, then definitely academic achievement is affected with the family size. So maybe kung gamay nga family, ay most likely may performance, no? Kung may significant difference. Kung medium naman, sa tawag ani, medium academic achievement, most likely kung large, most likely gamay po academic achievement kung naay significant difference between and among family size. That's how we assume, no? Pero it may not be true. Take note, no? Because we can only tell whether family size affects academic achievement if we were able to tell that there is a significant difference among academic achievements when students are being categorized according to their family size. So, yun, no? Dire kay categorize na ko si academic achievement into M, CAM. M is, I think, mastered. I just forgot the sum. M is mastered, that is muna pinakataas na level. Yeah, there pod almost no mastery, ang pinakaubos na level. So our national achievement tests are being categorized into 7 categories. So from mastered until approximately no mastery at all. So mo na ni ang data. Ana ko cross tabulation. Ano siya kita cross tabulation. Ibig sabihin, from among 156 students who belong to small family, 7 lang diha ang nakamaster. 2 lang diha ang walay absolutely no mastery. 2 lang. Ang large pod nga 64 lang ka buok, no? Actually nakita na to diri sa data nga mostly of the 341 juniors are small or belong to small family. And very least among this data are large, no? Belong to large. Pero what do you think, no? Nakay difference, maka-apekto kaya ang small, average o large family sila academic achievement? It is actually chi-square, which will tell us whether or not there is. Okay? So, muna pangutana at the level, at 0.05 level of significance, is there evidence to reject the claim of the relationship between family size and academic achievement of students in mathematics? Okay, so nana tayo kuan sa tawag ana cross tabulation. Okay, and it's actually mine, no? And pwede po ni analyze on kailang manual lagi kaayo, pero SPSS will not cannot analyze this, no? Kana ganing data nga i-analyze na daan. Hindi siya mo analyze ana, no? Ang kayang analyze sa SPSS katug yung raw, katug yung data gid mo ihatag, no? Katug yung wala mahilabting mga raw gyud nga gikan gyud sa asa gikan. Kani man gud siya kay naka-summarize na siya sa small family out of 156, 7 lang ang naka-master. Nya 2 lang ang kuan, absolutely no mastery ring ana. So mura siya kanang naka-ano na daan ba, naka-analyze na daan, and it cannot be analyzed anymore by SPSS. Okay. Ang kaya analyze sa SPSS, later, ito na yung analyze no? Pero gusto na ko nga, dahil lang siya focus sa data nga naata, no? Ang first itong buhaton is, siguro ang atong tanawon din o naabay significant difference between gender and mathematical, mental ability rather. Gender and mental ability. Okay. We were able to analyze naman ganina gender, pwede man i-test man type of school, gender, when it comes to their academic performance, mental ability, and math performance. But what about if we have this mental ability categorized daan as low, average, and high, and we would like to check whether there is a significant difference between male and female when it comes to mental ability. So it is chi-square, which will help us. So click analyze, click descriptive statistics, and click cross tabulation. Ayun. So cross tabs na. So most likely, ang ato ang mental ability ani dito sa column. Sa gender dito sa row. Pwede mo na siya mabali-balin, okay. Same naman ang chi-square result ang ihatag. Pero ang idea man good for column is that it's more of dito ka interested, no? Dito imong i-analyze nga data, and you would like to check if gender matters for mental ability. Nga good siya. So you will just click statistics. You will just click chi-square, and then click continue. Kana lang sa atong siguro all the rest ng statistical tools diri nga pwede nato magamit later na sa inyong PhD na. You also have limited time. So, ito na. This is it. Hatag din siya, no? Pero si chi-square, ayun. Actually, mo na siya kung gingon ganina, cross tabulation. Medyo gamay-gamay lang ni siya number din tungod kay we don't have gamay naman po the categories like sa gender, male and female lang man, mental ability, low, average, and high lang man. So clear kayo that among 36, there are 17 male, there are 19 female, no? And unom diha kabog low nga male, low ka female. High 7 male and female 5. So in here, okay, asa may tan-aw na to dinhi karon. So it is just actually the Pearson chi-square, no? Kani lang gid siya og ang ato ang significance level, this one. Okay, so the significance level or sig value is 0.458. Never mind the rest, no? Kanilang itong kailangan. Chi-square value is 1.560 and the sig value is 0.458. And what is this? Is this greater than or less than?
Greater than.
Very good. Greater than. So pag ano na to ana siya sa table, mag-table na punta. Table na punta. Okay. Ang atong table ani, chi-square analysis na ta. Chi-square analysis. S of chi-square analysis. So pwede po chi-square analysis pwede. Ay, hindi na lang sana ko anohan ha. Mas ang importante lang yun din wala naman tayo mean. Actually, we don't have mean anymore. Ang atoa lang dito is not a chi-square value, the x-square value. And I don't know sa point ang values in x. I think na dire. Nasa symbol lang sa chi-square. Taas naman po. Sige na lang, no? Just never mind na lang di sa chi-square na siya, no? All of us agree that this is chi-square. The chi-square value, .156, no? Chi-square value. So, tanggalon na to ang kaning wala naman ni siya. Wala na ni siya. Diretso na kita, as in, diretso na gid siya. Except lang kung daghan kay analyze, kaya naman usahay nga, it's not only limited to one. So kung buka-buka, for example, saan ako pagpagamay? Ito na, pagka-plaster. Yan na lang, Okay, so, pwede ko maka-add dali og line. For example, no? And I have here the chi-square value. Alright, so halimbawa, variables. It's not only about gender, no? Ato na lang lubos ni. It's not only about gender. Natong pwede ma-analyze for sa mga pwede. Type of school, pwede po, no? Pwede. Pwede po socioeconomic status. But I'll go for socioeconomic status muna. Socioeconomic status. Okay, so daghan na ta diri pwede analyze, no? So in here, ang naa pa lang na ato diri is gender pa lang. So the chi-square value is 1.560 and the p value is 0.458. And what is our decision for this particular value? Reject or don't reject?
Don't reject.
Don't reject, Doc.
Yes, don't reject. Very good. Okay, don't reject HO. Nganong don't reject HO? Because the p value is greater than 0. Okay, very good. So we will have another one. Cross tabs na punta, no? Cross tabs. And we would like to check. Mental ability lang na punta. But this time, we will have socioeconomic status and type of school. The other two. And again, statistics, we will click chi-square. And click OK. Okay, ayun. So nakita na ito din, no? Equal, no? Equal tanan. Muna ang iyang chi-square. So socioeconomic status ng ability equal tanan. The chi-square value is 0. Walay difference. Ito lang ibutan. 0.00. And the p value is again, p value is 1.00. Yes. For socioeconomic status, what about type of school? Oh, no, gyapon. So 0.000 gyapon. And the p value is 1.00. Okay, what do we conclude this time? Are we going to reject HO or don't reject HO?
Reject.
Huh?
1.
Don't reject.
Don't reject that one because
I don't
1
reject
over
the
0.0 is
Zero
going to be
point
greater
zero five.
than
Yes.
0.005. Very good. Yeah, pag-analyze na to, diretso na ta. Kasi table 5, S of chi-square. Sige, ako na lang ibutang ha. Chi-square on the significant difference. Ito na ito kung ano ni.
NMAT.
Difference of mental ability mo
Yes, Doc. Mental ability.
of BS biology students
BS biology students.
when categorized according to gender,
Chapter
socioeconomic status,
and type of school.
and type of school. So, table 5 shows the chi-square analysis. Wait, mo na ito ang chi. Shows the chi-square analysis. Chi-square analysis. Ako, lagi ni kopyahon. Chi-square analysis on the wala naman siya, diretso na siya. It shows that chi-square value chi-square value 1.560 has a p-value of 0.458, which is greater than 0.05 level of significance. This quantitative finding, pwede po na ito isulting quantitative finding. Quantitative finding does not provide tawag
Evidence. Enough evidence.
yun, correct. Enough evidence that to reject the null hypothesis. Thus, there is no significant difference on the on the mental ability nalimtan din, it shows that the chi-square value for gender, dapat i-specify na to, kay gender man na ito din, i-isulti pa, kasi on the mental ability of BS biology students when categorized by gender. That's the first. Natulo mo na kabuok. So, on the other hand, hindi mo dumagan din on the other hand, etc. Okay? Padayon nun yan. Kidabe, can you tell who can give me who can express the next interpretation? Say daw, from your end. Sa may mo volunteer. Would like to volunteer? Hello? On the other hand, the same table shows what?
The
Chi-square
same.
analysis. Pwede po, diretso na lang, the same table depicts, on the other hand, the same, Ay, ano,
other hand,
at iba tayo na lang.
in terms of socioeconomic status.
Same table. Moreover,
Oo, ano, pwede no, very good. Nangyayana ang mga kuan. Indeed, mga maayagid mo may ang mga ano. Pwede ko bingana no, in terms of economic status. Yun.
The table shows
Ayun na, diretso na, the chi-square.
the
Value na,
chi-square
diretso na.
value.
The chi-square value.
The
Or
chi-square value
pwede po obtain a p-value of. Ano?
0.00
Square of 0.00 for what? Economic
socioeconomic
status.
1.000.
Okay.
Yes.
The value of 1.00, which is greater than 0.05 level of significance. This quantity finding does not provide enough evidence to reject null hypothesis. Tarawa? To reject null hypothesis. Okay. I-check, i-double check ang yung answer. Ako po na ginabasa inyong mga answer. There is a significant difference in the mental ability of BS biology students when categorized by socioeconomic status. Ayun. Dito. Ingana lang siya. Ingana lang siya class. Okay. So, same lang siya. Same naman at siya. Ano, no? Basta, i-review lang din ang mga trabaho, no? Kaya, usahay, makita na ako na may mga errors. Kung dili ma-perfect inyong score, natanaw din ako yung mga trabaho. I am very particular, no, with your responses. So, make sure, no, that everything is well written, correct grammar, no, because this is definitely expected of you. Okay. Ay pangutan na. Let's proceed. Sa chi-square, okay na ta? Okay, let's proceed to Pearson R. Kung Pearson R, pangitawan pa na kung slide kadali ha, kaya wala ka misplace na to. Dali lang yun. Ayun. Diragod tayo ha, kay ako ang ano nabilin dire because I'll be looking to Pearson R. Pearson R. Ang PowerPoint na to. Ito. This is it. Okay. Temple yun. That's the best. Oh, sorry. Okay. Tandaan kung kalimot ko. Ayun. So, Pearson R. I have to open. Okay. So, I think, no, muna na ito ang pinaka-last na topic before we will end this morning. And it's all about Pearson R. That's the short title of Pearson product moment for relation coefficient. And we will tackle first the strength of relationship. Strength of relationship is how one is related with the other. No? So we have here zero correlation or no relationship at all. Yeah, 0.01 to 0.20, very low correlation or almost negligible relationship. 0.21 to 0.40, slight correlation, definite but small relationship. Please turn off your microphone. 0.41 to 0.70, moderate correlation or substantial relationship. 0.71 to 0.90, high correlation or marked relationship. 0.91 to 0.99, very high correlation, a very dependable relationship. And 1, perfect correlation or perfect relationship. The formula, the assumption for this is that we see to it that the subjects are randomly selected. Kasi sinabing randomly selected, we follow random techniques to selection of kuan gani. It should be randomly selected ng ato mga respondents nato. Dili pwede nga bisan kinsa na itong puniton. So kung systematic random sampling itong gamiton, we have to follow the procedure of systematic, stratified, and so on. And both populations must be normally distributed. Katong paana ang distribution nato, no? And the formula to be used is very long. We have the R, which is n is equal n summation of xy minus summation of x and summation of y, divided by the square root of this very long expression, n summation of x squared minus summation of x quantity squared times the quantity of n times the summation of y squared minus the summation of y quantity squared. And the test of significance can be computed using t and eventually the p-value. And the procedure for this is we're going to use this 6 steps procedure, but let's try to simplify this using SPSS. Okay, let's take this one as our first example. Okay, but before that, no, generally speaking, there are only 3 main types of relationships. The first is positive relationship, meaning if one goes higher, the other one goes higher also. That's positive relationship. In the same manner, one goes lower, the other one goes lower. Positive relationship na meaning mag-uyon ang duha ka quantities na mag-uyog sila. Going up ang isa, going up po ang isa. Going down ang isa, going down po ang isa. That's positive relationship. Negative, no, kung napansin niyo na negative po rin, no? Negative, meaning if one quantity increases, the other quantity decreases. That's negative. And last is zero correlation. Wala gi relasyon ang duha. No relationship at all. Okay, I'll give you one or 2 or 3 examples, and then later we will have some exercises to check how well you are analyzing when it comes to the relationship of 2 variables. So let's begin with oral recitation. What's the relationship between most likely, the relationship between the mathematics performance and physics performance? Is it positive, negative, or zero? Hello? Would like to answer. Sige, Sir Giovanni. Sir Giovanni.
Doc, try. I just want to try to answer that question. I guess, Doc, that's positive relationship because
yes.
mathematics and physics, they're just they're referring to numbers and computations, and probably they have a positive relationship.
Yes, though it's not absolute. Kay basin di ay no o na mga factors nga nung kuan. Dili siya absolute in the sense that there may be other factors that may hinder it. Pero most likely, that's correct, Giovanni, very good, that if one has a good mathematics performance, most likely, the student will also have a good physics performance. Ang positive, magkuyog sila, mag-abot sila. Pero hinaganig math ang bata, most likely, hinay po na siya physics. No? Pero dili siya, ingon nga, definite din siya because other factors may also affect, like we will consider it as positive relationship. Very good. Second, quiz score in stat and the length of your feet?
Negative, Doc.
Negative.
Are you
Negative, Doc.
sure?
No
There's no
relationship.
negative.
Zero daw. Wala na
Kung
relationship.
negative,
No
kung
relationship
negative meaning, kung taas imong TL, gamay imong stat score. Ano yung meaning sa negative? It means
No relationship daw.
Zero.
Zero relationship. Another one. Your weight and your English performance.
Negative daw.
Zero.
Zero,
Zero
Doc.
relationship.
Zero daw.
Zero
Pagkakatan mo
relationship.
talang negative way. Pagkakatan mo talang negative way. Meaning kung tambok ko, amay ko English performance. Kaya ako mo ko weight. Ano ba?
Zero.
Zero.
Needs to consider po.
So this is zero. Kaya nga naman, whether payat ka or tambok, it doesn't matter, no? Imong English performance, depende gina sa imong ability sa lang for that particular subject. Another one, saba. Kuan, the length of, ano term na ay? House ka na ganing value and its and the length of time after construction.
Negative.
Yes, Ma'am Gretchen. Why negative? Why negative, Ma'am Gretchen?
Kay kung daghan ang materials do, meaning dugay po na siya i-construct, dugay mahuman. So,
Ayaw mo ba na? Dili ako
Mahal
makuha.
man ang price ko kung dugo ang time.
Kanang makadugay ang balay o ang value. Ang value.
Magka-decrease niyang value.
Mahal man siya kay mataas ang presyo.
magkadugay ang balay.
Yes, correct.
Mahal man.
Makadugay ang balay. Magkamahal ba? What do you think?
Mahal ang
makadugay
materialis.
balay.
Magkabarato.
I'm not talking about the lote. I'm talking about the balay. Oo. So,
Pero kung nagwapo to, taas mo ng balay.
yes. Yes. Ang balay, mag-depreciate man, di ba? Mag-depreciate. All of us will agree on that. Kung magkadugay ang balay, magkabarato na siya tungod kay ay mga factors, no? Magkabarato na siya. Siyempre, kung kahoy imong balay, di, sa tawag na siya term, mo depreciate, no, ang mga materials nga imong gigamit sa pag-construct sa imong balay. So, another one, the lot value and time.
Negative.
Negative.
Negative, lot. Lote.
Positive daw. Positive. Kaya magkamahal ang lote.
Kaya magkamahal.
Magkamahal. Especially kung imong location is strategic, no? Strategic meaning doon sa mall, doon sa warehouse, doon sa panagina. Magkamahal gina siya. Pero walay lote nga magkabarato gyud. Magkamahal gina. Bisan asa pa na magkamahal gina. So that's positive relationship. Did you get me?
That's the
Yes, Doc.
Okay, ano pa? The amount of time nga nag-sleep ka o imong score sa quiz stop as a quiz
Negative.
in our statistics.
negative.
Negative na naman.
Positive, Doc.
Positive. Kung taas imong tulog, most likely maayo imong concentration sa quiz. Maraming call nimo sa imong nebalan before. Tama ba ko? Is that what you mean, Sir Galileo?
Yes, Doc.
Okay. Very good. Next, another one. Study habit and your results.
Positive.
Positive.
Positive daw.
Positive.
Positive. Very good. No? Okay. Okay. Let's try to have this example. Now, let's try to check kung na-gets ba ninyo. What about this one? The temperature and the total sales in units. Temperature and the total sales in units. When it comes to ice cream din eh. Ay, fruit shake.
Okay. Yung ang sales.
The more
Positive
init, the
daw.
more
The more init, the more mamalit.
Positive.
Yes. That's in the Philippine setting. Tama ba?
Yes, Doc.
Yes.
Yes, Doc.
Pero ako nadunggan in US daw, people will tend to buy ice cream or fruit shake kung bugnaw. Kaya nang una-una, madaot dahil lang hipon kung mukaon sila og ice cream or minom silang fruit shake kung init. Depende sa culture. But in the Philippine setting, that's positive. Do you agree?
Yes, also.
Yes,
Yes,
Doc.
Doc.
Very good. At least nakasinabot na. Okay. So let's set to check. No, actually, natay data din here. Nadre, day 1 until day 12, temperature, monitoring temperature, na mo po nilang sales. So let's try to check the significant relationship between atmospheric temperature and sales. Ano data. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. I'm going to capture this to Excel. Ay, kataas. Ayun. Sige po, no? Sige, na lang, no? Ayun, pala. Sige. Pero, I will have here, akong i-pivot ha, kay, ano man kung siya, hindi siya pwede. I-pivot na ko. So, we have day, temperature, sales, total sales. So, okay pa mo din, ano, pamato sa pila kay, ano lang, day 1 to day 12. Okay, so we have 79, 76. Uy, asan to? Ay, asan? 76, ikapoy na kong laptop siguro na po eh.
76, 78.
Gano'n na mag-gusto i-open, mareklamo na siya ba? Kaya pa ako sa ipang off ni uban. Pang tanggalon sa nako ning data uban ha, kay reklamo na siya. Pag yun, kaya din siya mo work kung ipang tanggalon ni uban pang open ako. I think sa SPS, Adri Repita somewhere. Pang-delete sa nako ni uban ha, kay ano na siya. Okay. Sige. Oh, let's move down. Hindi siya mag-ano eh, 147. What happened to my Excel? It doesn't work anymore. 2979. Hindi siya. And pagyud. I have to erase some Excel ano. Kaya the more man good siyang i-process, the more siya mag-lag. So, let's try to say, yun, pwede na. 28, 84, 90. I hope you are following, no? Naka-follow pa. 83, 93, 94, 97, 85, 88, 82. I hope ako mali diha, no? 147, 143, I love you, 168, 206, 155, 192, 211, 209, 187, 200, and 150.
209, 187, 200, 150.
All right. So, Ano na siya, no? Mo na itong ibutang sa SPSS. So there are only two variables in SPSS. I will open another one. Okay, so we have the variable, so ito, temperature. If it's anyway, scale man no? Scale, yung number man yung temperature. Tapos another one is total sales.
Total sales.
T sales. T sales is total sales. And it's also scale. Right? So we'll just simply copy. Dali na kayong kuan. Pearson R. Importante lang sa Pearson R makasabot no magsibihin niya. Okay, you'll just click Control V lang. Okay, I have there the data. So we will just simply click Analyze. I hope na may kopya din ha, no? Correlate, and you click Bivariate, meaning duha lang ka data atong i-analyze. Then, click OK. Pearson R, i-click lang sa Pearson R. Kung wala pa nakaklik daan, i-click lang siya. Pero actually, default na siya. Natutiled lang yapon. Click OK. As simple as this, na type value. Okay. So, the R value is 0.97.
7.
And the sig value is 0.0. Diripod, temperature, i-compare niya 1. Siyempre, 1 yun na siya kay temperature man. Kung temperature of sales, 0.927. Total sales of temperature, 0.927 gapon. And it has a sig value of 0.00. So, usaw siya pag-plus star sa Excel. Sa ato ang Actually, mo na akong ang ako ginatulo sa inyo ha, mo ni ibutang ninyo sa inyong mini research, no? Most likely kung dili man perfect in mini research, silang no, taas ng tolerance anyway, do not worry. Okay. So, ang ato ang dire is Pearson R analysis. Or anyway nga, pwede naman siya masulat. No? Or pwede po test of correlation. Pwede po din siya. Test of correlation. Between temperature and total sales. At sa mga gusto, ako na sumpay no, o sa to, o blah blah blah. Okay? Then variables. Mga variables ng temperature versus or pwede po and total sales. Yeah, wala man tayo, di ba na siya chi-square, no? It's R value. R value. Then we have the R value na patay strength of relationship ibutang, no? Strength of relationship. Okay. Wala na ni siya diri sa ubos. Isa lang man ka kung ano to i-analyze. The R value, wala pa ni. Pero yung R value na to, 0.927.
27.
Positive, negative. Okay, positive, negative.
Positive.
Yes, it's positive. Ibig sabihin, positive ang relationship between temperature and total sales. Ibig sabihin, the higher the temperature, the more nga magkainit, the more po magkataas ang total sales. Ayun. That actually agree. Strength of relationship, bukang po natin din. O degree of relationship, pwede po na term na, no?
Yes.
And the P value. So, strength of relationship, we have to go back there.
High.
Yes, very high.
Very
High, sir. Very high correlation or very dependable relationship. So very high correlation, very high correlation. Isa lang ka bukay may pilihan na to. Pero most likely ang correlation man ang tanawon. Very high correlation. Yeah, ang p-value is ilang p-value
0.00. 0.000.
Alright. Ayun. And what is our decision on HO? You have to
Concept.
reject.
I reject it. So
Reject. Yeah, ano na po, table 6 shows the test of correlation using, pwede po, using Pearson R. The test of correlation using Pearson R on between the temperature and total sales of that na lang ta. It shows that the R value 0.927 obtained the R value is 0.927. Depende gyud sa nimo pag ano. Kung saan mo pag ano is which is described as in a way gani nga makasabtan ang imong nasa table, described as very high correlation. Farther, farther, these R value obtain a p-value of ano po siya beauty gamay 0.00, which is less than 0.05 level of significance. Okay, this quantitative finding provides enough evidence to reject the null hypothesis. There is a significant relationship. Ato ang null hypothesis ani is that there is no significant relationship between the
temperature and sales.
And total sales. Puna ni sumpay no usa kay total sales of something. Ano na lang nato ha. Amo na lay sabot ug unsa na. Kasi pa na siya sumpay. It is not only about temperature and total sales, etc. And that's it. Ana lang ta mag-analyze. So, sa ato ang ano
Check po.
Ano ko nalimtan? So,
Fruit shake
daw
yung ano. So, sir?
Sir, putol-putol yung resulti. Unsa ganito, sir?
Fruit shake daw, Doc.
Ay, fruit shake. Ayun, fruit shake. Sige. Fruit shake. Sige. Fruit shakes. Putol gid ang resulti ni ano. Anak man to no. Fruit shake. Tuma po din ibutang diri. Okay. Mao man na siya ang diri po. Nata. Ano lang siya no kanang dili gyud siya actually gyud lisod niya na siya pattern sundo nato. And that's also what I wanted you to do, no, in your mini research. You will also do the same, do like this, no. I-arrange niyo siya from table 1 until the last table. Yeah, this is actually based on the objectives that you have established in your assignment number 4 or number 5 kung ako na mali. Okay? So, natay pangutana so far. Please be reminded, no, that the final examination will be on December 12. The submission of your requirements will be on December 12. All requirements, no? Ano na ang pinaka-deadline o niya. The submission of your grades will be on December 19. Wala na ko extension. Kung mag-ask of extension sa submission sa final requirement, pwede, pero sa 17. Pero I have to inform you that submission of the terminal requirement, on-time submission is 10 points. Late 1 day, 8 points na lang. Late of 2 days, 6 points na lang. Late of 3 days, 4 points na lang. Niya. Late of 3 days and up, that's 2 points na lang. So sayang po, no? So in as much as kayang buhaton as early as possible, do it. Okay? Actually, dili ko magatan-aw og perfect gid nga mini research. I do expect, no, and I am also expecting not perfect mini research, and I will just check, no, how far have you gone when it comes to our lessons. Kaya mura gid akong tan-awon. You don't need to copy the answers of your classmates, of your close friends. Nga nagkanda og research kasi wala perfect me, no. In as much as kung pwede lang inyong study, inyong gihimo diha mo na ko mas ma-appreciate rather than copying the output of others, no? Especially without recognizing him or recognizing her. Bisan pag recognize ninyo, I don't also I don't appreciate that, no? Mas ma-appreciate na kung inyong output, no? So kana lang diha lang ta kutob, and I'll be updating anytime this week o gusto mga kulang ninyo. But ang pinaka main gyud nga akong pangitaon for your final grade is number 1, permit. Number 2, your final requirement, katong mini research. Number 3, the final exam. And siguro ang katong quizzes and assignments that you were able to miss, kana lang. Okay? And I hope, no, you have learned a lot from our lessons.
Doc.
And karon pa lang daan, Sir Giovanni, yes.
Yes. Nalang ko ikuan Doc questions, confirm lang
Yes, yes.
nako. Ganina magod nakuan ko. Nawala ko sa kuan session. Kaya na-burn out dali. Regarding
Yes,
sa katong
Yes,
t-test,
sir.
sa t-test ko, Doc. Regarding sa t-test ba, for instance, if my data is general weighted average before the pandemic or before the COVID-19 and general weighted average sa new normal